In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Definitely, you would have seen someone who, for whom it is very difficult to make even the small decisions, and it is even more difficult for him or her to stick to the decision, to stick to that particular decision. If at all they have bought something else, first of all, it is not easy for them to select something for the sake of purchase, something for the sake of buying, something for the sake of paying money and bringing it at home. It's not easy for them. It is a really difficult decision to buy a pair of shoes, to buy a pair of clothes. It's not easy for them. But if at all they do bring it at home, they will try to return it and to buy something else. Why? Because they think what they have bought is not the best thing, and the price they have bought in is not the best price. The shop they have bought from is not the best shop. They always try to do the things in a best way. They always try to do the thing in a perfect way. They always try to do the things in an excellent manner. They want that nobody should be able to do a thing in a better way compared to that of their way. They don't want, they don't tolerate, they don't bear it that somebody has bought a better thing or somebody has bought a thing, the same thing in a better price. It is unbearable for them because they are a perfectionist, because they want to do the things in a perfect manner. There are people who wanted to make a best family, they wanted to get a best spouse, but they could not because they wanted to get the best spouse. That is why they could not marry, and they are now in their 40s and 50s, but still they are unmarried. Why? Because they wanted to get the best family, because they wanted to get the best spouse, because they wanted to they wanted to get the best package from their in the shape of a marriage. So whenever somebody is adamant that he she will buy the best thing, he she will do the best thing, I think it becomes impossibly difficult for them. I think that it becomes impossibly difficult for them to do that. What do you think? Are you one of them? Or is there somebody who is very close to you, or somebody who is among your friends or the relatives who have a habit like this one, who have an attitude like this one? There will be someone. Definitely, there will be someone. Or there are people, we too, some of us actually might have been suffering from this problem in a particular age, in a particular during the particular period of our life, and this is something, it makes our life very harder actually. It makes our life harder. Why does it make our life harder actually? Because we have become a perfectionist, because we are the people who want to do the things in an excellent manner. Even the trivial things, even the smaller things are not easy for them to do. It might become difficult for them to choose something else for the sake of cooking. And if at all they are at a restaurant, it becomes difficult for them even to order something else because they are unable to make a decision about what to eat from there. If they buy something at suppose they want to buy a dinner table, they want to buy a bed or a sofa, they want to buy a dinner set, they want to buy a jewelry, even it is really very very difficult for them. They are found doing the meticulous thing, but still they are unable to trust whatever they have decided, or whatever their own studies, whatever their own research it is. It is very difficult to stick to their own studies, not to talk of trusting someone else. If at all somebody is involved, he she will be very much disturbed by the way these people are behaving. Why? Because they don't stick to anything else at all. What is the name of this problem? I don't know the technical name of it. I know that I don't know the technical name of this psychological problem, but generally speaking, these people are the perfectionist, and a perfectionist, these people are, and the perfect thing, I think it doesn't exist at all. You might be excellent in one thing, you might have done one thing in an excellent manner, but you can't do each and everything else in an excellent manner. It is not humanly possible. Not even the people who are very intelligent, not even the people who are genius, even they people cannot do the things in an excellent manner, as far each and everything in their life is concerned. How come an ordinary person like me and you will be able to do that? We are not a very intelligent people. We are not a genius. We are not super expert in something else. How come is it possible for us, to do the thing in a perfect manner, to do a thing in an excellent manner? What is the solution of it? I think the solution of it is that we should decide primarily that I don't have to be a perfectionist, and I don't have to do the things in an excellent manner as well. Rather, I have to be an ordinary person, and I shall like to do the things in an ordinary manner. I want to become an ordinary person, and I shall like to do the things in an ordinary manner. I don't have to be a perfectionist. I don't have to do the things in a perfect manner. Not at all, not at all, not at all. Oh, I have to improve myself. I have to work that much hard upon myself. I have to become a better person, but that too not in a confused manner, that too not in an excellent manner, that too not in a perfect manner. Not at all. All of these things are not possible. One of my work, one of the things which I have bought might be a perfect one, might be an excellent one, but not each and everything what I am trying to do, not each and everything which I have done. Thank you.